At number 4, we have Sony RX10 IV, the best camera for family sports photography. Capture every thrilling moment with the Sony RX10 IV, your ideal partner for family sports photography. This bridge camera brings together the versatility of a DSLR without the bulk of interchangeable lenses, making it a user-friendly choice. Imagine shooting your child's soccer game with a remarkable 24 to 600mm zoom lens, one that's virtually impossible to find on traditional cameras. You'll never miss an important play, whether it's a close-up or action from the other side of the field. Equipped with a 20.1 megapixel sensor, this camera delivers impressive image quality. Reliable phase detection autofocus ensures you never lose sight of your subject, even during fast-paced moments. Capture up to 24 frames per second to freeze those unforgettable plays in time. Love creating videos? You'll appreciate the 4K 30p and full HD 120p options. Slow-motion features defy expectations, reaching up to 1000 FPS for stunning clips of those epic goals. On the downside, consider the limitations of its smaller 1-inch sensor. It presents some challenges in low light, where you might notice less detail. Battery life can also feel short at around 400 shots, especially when frequently using the zoom or the flash. The Sony RX10 IV elevates everyday sports photography, offering quality and convenience in one package. Explore this camera further to see how it enhances your family